To wire transfer to Kraken, start by logging into your Kraken account and navigating to the Funding tab. From there, select the currency you want to deposit and choose the wire transfer option. You will be provided with Kraken's bank account details, which you will need to initiate the transfer from your bank. It is essential to double-check the account details, including the account number, routing number, and SWIFT code, to ensure the transfer is successful. You will also need to provide your Kraken account username or ID, which can be found in the Funding tab. Before initiating the transfer, make sure you have sufficient funds in your bank account to cover the transfer amount and any associated fees. Kraken charges a fee for wire transfers, which varies depending on the currency and amount being transferred. Once you have initiated the transfer, it may take several days to process. Depending on the bank and the transfer method, you can track the status of your transfer in the Funding tab of your Kraken account. To avoid any issues with your transfer, it is crucial to follow Kraken's guidelines and instructions carefully. This includes using the correct account details and providing all required information. If you encounter any problems or have questions, you can contact Kraken's support team for assistance. In addition to wire transfers, Kraken also supports other deposit methods, including online banking and cryptocurrency deposits. However, wire transfers are often the most convenient option for larger international transfers. To ensure the security of your transfer, Kraken uses advanced security measures, including two-factor authentication and encryption. This provides an additional layer of protection for your account and funds. By following these steps and guidelines, you can successfully wire transfer funds to your Kraken account. Remember to always follow best practices and take necessary precautions to protect your account and funds.